title is The Elephant and the Crab. Edie the elephant had a long nose. It is called an elephant trunk. Edie's trunk is special because it is very flexible. Look how flexible and useful my nose is, exclaimed Edie. One hot day, Edie went to the riverside to drink water. He used his long trunk to suck the water. He drank until he was satisfied. After drinking water, Edie walked towards home. Suddenly, Edie heard a voice. It was his long trunk speaking to him. I want to live this body, I want to lift this body, it said. What, my long nose wants to lift me? Edie exclaimed. Edie was shocked. He was worried the whole day. I want to lift this body, the voice called out again from the long trunk. Edie cried. He quietly used his front legs and block his nostrils and say, oh no, please don't leave me. Edie used to be proud of his long elephant trunk. His long trunk soon became inflamed. Edie muttered to himself, what am I going to do now? My long nose wants to lift me. Edie then became very sick. His lovely long trunk became swollen. His friend Daddy the monkey came along to visit him. He saw his friend's long trunk swollen. I am sorry, but I can't find any way to solve your problem, Eddie said Daddy. Then a red bird came along and visited Edie. She saw Edie's long trunk in a serious condition. The red bird said, I have a friend. His name is Cunny the mouse. All thought he is tiny. Please don't judge him by his size. I think he is the only one who will be able to help you. Cunny the mouse then came to visit Edie. He checked Edie's nostril carefully. I can't see your nostril very clearly, said Cunny. Cunny then entered the elephant nostril and checked very carefully. Edie told Cunny, I hope my long nose will not run away. After checking Edie's nostril, Cunny said, it's bad news. There a crab stuck in your nostril. What a crab? Oh, what a crab! Oh no, shouted Edie. Cunny used a feather on tickle the elephant trunk. Ah, gee! Edie sneezed and out came the crab from Edie's nostril. The little crab said to Cunny, thank you so much for helping me to get out of the stuffy nostril. I almost choked inside. Edie the elephant then said to Cunny, thank you so much for helping me to solve my problem. You were really great. Thank you.